KidsVision TV.
Let's learn the color name. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, light blue color, purple color, and pink color. I'm going to color it. Let's color with me. Let's color the princess. First I'm coloring its frock. Red color. Orange color. I am coloring a rainbow frock. Yellow color. Light green color. Light blue color. Purple color. I am coloring its body, light pink color. I am coloring its sleeve. I am coloring in necklace, golden color. Light green color. Gray color. I am coloring in shoe. I am coloring its lips. Now I am coloring in eyes. Shiny. I am coloring its hair. Dark brown color. Look at my princess. Now I am coloring in crown, yellow color. I am coloring in star. Orange color. Now I am coloring its face, skin color. I am coloring its arm.
Subscribe us for more videos.